Welcome to another video in which we are going to write Python program to get the full path of the current working directory. So guys, we can use two ways to get the full path of the current working directory. The first way is by using the pathlib module, and this is the line of code that we can use in order to get the current working directory using the pathlib module. And the second way is by using the OS module. So guys, let us check both of these ways in the VS Code over here. So the very first way that we are going to use is by importing the pathlib module. So we use the import keyword followed by pathlib module over here. Now guys, next thing what we have to do is simply we can print the current working directory of this particular file where python code.py is present. So what we can do is we can use this pathlib followed by dot, and then we have the path class over here, and we have to provide the open and close parenthesis since it is a class, and then followed by dot. And as you can see, we have something called as absolute method over here. It returns an absolute version of this path by prepending the current working directory. So we will use this particular method in order to get the current working directory over here. So let me just save this file now and try running this code. So as you can see, this is the path under which this file, that is python_code.py, is present that we are running right now. So basically it is under C drive, and then under the users folder we have another user folder, and then we have the Python folder over here. Now guys, similarly we can also use the OS module. So over here I am going to import the OS module, and then once again we will be using the print method, and over here we can use the OS followed by dot, and then we have something called as path module over here. So this particular module also have more methods. So after this we are going to use the absolute path function. So as you can see, it returns an absolute path over here. So we are going to use this, and it is going to take one parameter. So that parameter is going to be OS followed by dot, and then get current working directory. So as you can see, we have this method, that is get cwd. So we are going to use this get cwd method over here followed by open and close parenthesis. So guys, by using the OS module we can get the current working directory in this way. So let me just save this file now and try running this code once again. So as you can see, the first print statement has helped us in order to get the current working directory using the pathlib module, and the second print method over here has helped us in order to get the working directory using the OS module over here. So guys, these are the two ways in order to get the current working directory if you wish to find out based on your requirements. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is Python program to iterate through two lists in parallel. So stay tuned.